Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to use BrainPop Jr. This is a nice website that's free. If you do buy the subscription though, you do get a little bit more extra information on here. Unfortunately, I can't remember our building's login, so I can't show you all the extra stuff that you can get. But what I use this for is mostly for like writing with nouns. So let's say that I want to have my students learn about nouns. This kind of gives them a little bit more information besides just a quick, oh, well, a noun is a person, place, or thing. It kind of goes into deeper content with them. So let's say I just wanted to go over nouns specifically. We just watched this video that they really tend to enjoy, and they do learn a lot of information from it too. It's not just one of those videos that you play and it's like, oh, well, that was a waste of time. They really do interact with it. So the stuff that I was talking about that you would have access to is that you can do all of this code stuff, so like easy quiz and everything. See, I'd have to log in. But what I do in my classroom is it's just a quick multiple choice test. I have 4 corners in my room that I would have the options. So if you think it's A, go to corner 1, and so on and so on. And then we would click on whichever one the majority of the kids thought it was. And it kind of gets them up and moving and learning, as well as using technology, which is nice. It also has different games that you can play. You can make a map. There's all kinds of different things that you can do. And they also have ones that are related. So let's say next I want to talk about plural nouns and then move on to possessive nouns. They also have information about math. So you can come here and kind of go over let's say I wanted to work on addition and subtraction. You can kind of talk about, well, we've been talking about adding with regrouping, but they really aren't getting it. Maybe if I show them this video about it, it will work and they'll understand what to do next time or how this all works. I haven't used math because we have started doing Eureka Math, so it's a little bit more in depth than probably these would show because they regroup in different ways. They also have a movie of the week, so this one's summer, where it talks about what plants and animals do in the summer. And they also have, like, if I go to like this free stuff, they have like a video over bowling. We can do maps. I can play some games here. We can even work on learning how to do computer programming, which is pretty cool. The reason why I picked this is because we use it really just as another option for the students to learn, because we all know that students learn in multiple different ways. So this just kind of gives them another opportunity to hear the information in a different way. And they enjoy Moby right here. This is Moby, and then he has different people that join him on his adventures and how they learn different things. But I would say that this using this would be ISTES 3C, because the students are able to kind of gather information in different ways. And then also ISTE 7A, because I'm able to show them another way that they can learn using technology. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this video and will look for new ways to use BrainPop Jr. There's also a BrainPop that is for older students as well.